Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing today a cheat day. I don't do that very often, like never. I never had a cheat day in over like 5 years, so I'm really excited about it. And why not? I'm gonna start my cut in April, so might as well do it before. And I'm in Canada. I never have been in Canada, and I wanna try like these chain restaurants and food and everything we don't have in Czech Republic. And then it's gonna be exciting, and I'm not gonna, you know, aim for a certain amount of calories or like anything like that. I'm just gonna enjoy myself. I don't wanna be sick or anything like that. I just wanna, you know, taste some good food, and yeah, I'll see where we end up. It's currently 9:45, Saturday, March 14th. And yeah, I will start my day with workout, and I might do some footage over there, or I might not, we'll see. And then yeah, we will just enjoy this day and see what happens. I will show you my weight and my physique before and after, and yeah, I won't count calories, maybe tomorrow, just for you guys. And yeah, we'll see what happens. See ya in the next clip. So yeah, this is what I look like. Before. Oh. So function is there, and now step on the scale. 174. Okay. 174. Yeah. We'll see. Alright guys, so let me get you through my workout, and I didn't film everything, but I started with overhead press, 3 sets of 8 reps. Then I moved to cable lateral raises. I didn't film those. And then I moved to pedalero, 4 sets of 10. Then I did a hip abduction, as you can see. And well, then I moved to some bicep curls and calf raises. Then I did push-ups for chest, and finished my workout with cable crunches. And then I went to the bakery store and picked up, as you can see, this massive baguette, because previously I don't know why, but I was craving just fresh bread, eggs, and that was it. So I bought bread and some donuts actually. I started with eggs and bread because I was just craving that so bad. I don't know why, but I did. So that was my first meal. Also, I sometimes forgot to stop the video I was watching, and yeah, it gets pretty annoying, but I hope you understand. I'm new to this, so I hope you'll forgive me. Thanks. Enjoy the video. Okay, so first meal of the day: eggs, bread, cheese, ham. I don't know, for some reason I was just craving this, and yeah, I'm so looking forward to it. And it's currently like almost 2 p.m. So yeah, it's not gonna be like a big cheat day, but yeah, just whatever I want. So this is meal numero uno. Yeah, and I also have a like fish oil, multivitamin to be healthy, right? Yeah, and Tim Hortons coffee and ketchup and some water. So yeah, now I'm gonna watch some video and eat this bad boy up. Like honestly, this is one of the best things. Like I'm gonna have this every single day. Not that big, but so good. Okay, so we got this left, another baguette, so yeah, gonna be fun. Oh, damn, look, crazy.
But yeah, 154.2 and
Okay, so plate is empty, you can see, and I am pretty, well, not pretty full, but yeah, I'm satisfied. Yeah, I'm okay. So let it settle and we'll see. You know what? Since I have the coffee, I'm gonna have like a few donuts. I kinda crushed them, so this is a chocolate truffle from Tim Hortons, Boston cream, and Dolce de Leche, I don't know. So yeah. It's not bad. It's just take a look. That is like a nice filling. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, not bad. Okay, now here the crushed Boston cream. So yeah. Classic. My favorite one, I guess. And this is the dream donut, the caramel dolce de luce. I don't know. So never had this one, so we'll see. Yeah, this one's nice. Really good. Okay, so that's gonna be it. I don't know how many calories I ate, probably over 1500, I would say. I don't know. I will post for you guys somewhere in the corner, and yeah, we'll see. Bye. So next up is gonna be mall in Kelowna. Don't know what we are gonna get. I'm hunting for some poutine because I want to try it, and yeah, I will keep you posted. Bye. Okay, so next thing we have is this poutine. It's really good. Like some beans, onion, cheese. It's really good. So yeah, that's my next meal. Okay, we are not done yet. So stay cool. Yeah, that's Nutella pretzel. Nice. Pretzel is down, and yeah, now I feel kind of sick, so I'm gonna just, go for a walk, and yeah, we'll see. I don't know if I want anything else. I would like to try some pastries, but I don't know. I don't want to get sick. So, bye. Hey, so I just got back of Tim Hortons, and I bought this iced coffee and one Canadian maple donut. So yeah. It's like Boston cream but maple. So guys, so this is what I bought from Walmart. I'm already home. It's 6:55, Saturday, March 14th. And yeah, I bought Kit Kat, Rice Krispies, Maynard Sour Patch Kids Extreme, and some just 6 pieces of this Portis chocolatier, like some just to test. Then I bought Ben and Jerry ice cream and some muffins and cinnamon, and no, I don't think I'm gonna be eating everything, because I also got some dinner, and yeah, just not wanna get sick, so I will keep this in my pantry, and yeah, someday maybe I will eat it, but I don't think I'll be eating this today. I'm gonna be eating like the cinnamon roll, so that's gonna be it. And this sandwich I'm gonna show you right now. From Arby's is this turkey gyro. Yeah, and this guy, like, I don't know what's that, like chicken Gordon Bleu, something like that. Yeah, so I'll be having this, and then I think that's gonna be it. Well, depends how I feel. I feel fine right now, so yeah. Also I have I've been pretty active today. I did a cardio, weight training. Now I'm at 19,667 steps. So that's good, you know, I've been active all day and I wanna hit at least 20,000, you know, just be active, use this energy to do something, right? So I'm gonna have a dinner and then go for a walk and yeah, then we'll see what happens. See ya. Okay, so first thing we start is gonna be this, I don't know, what's that, like chicken Gordon Bleu? Doesn't look so appetizing, but yeah. Cheers. It's not bad, but crispy chicken, ham, cheese, mayo. Yeah, you know, classic fast food, right? Crap. It doesn't taste like a chicken, it's like, it looks like chicken, but it's like, I have this weird, like, I don't know, weird texture, you know? I don't know. Okay, so next thing we have is this chicken or turkey gyro. Like, doesn't look bad, but yeah. At least there are some vegetables, right? So it's healthy. Yeah. See y'all later and show you some coke sets. Probably do commentary. We'll see. Yeah, it's not bad. Decent amount of chicken. Oh, turkey. Yeah, but man, I had so much bread today, so I'm feeling kind of full, so just a few more bites and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna eat anything else. Just the cinnamon and yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. I don't know, calories will be somewhere, and I don't know what my total calories are. It's probably gonna be, well, a lot. So yeah, I'm not gonna calculate it right now. I don't want to calculate it right now. So I'm gonna just chill for a while, go for a walk, and yeah, I'll see you tonight, I guess. Yeah, by the way, it's 7:10. Alright, I'll see you, well, in a snack before bed, I guess. Bye. Hey guys, for the last meal. It's currently 10:59, Saturday 14th, and I'm about to have my last meal, and it's just just it's a lot of food. It's cinnamon and 2 muffins. One is Tim Hortons walnut, carrot cake and walnut, and second is banana with walnuts. Yeah, I think so. So that's gonna be my last meal, and then I will show you my physique, my weight, and then my weight following next few days. And yeah, I will count my macros and calories tomorrow, and when I edit this video I'll see how or me and you will see how much damage I did. So yeah, stay tuned. We start with this guy. Oh, smells like banana, so yeah, that's a banana walnut muffin from Tim Hortons, so cheers. Yeah, it's not bad, just not filled, nothing like that, but it's good. Tastes like a banana. Can really taste the banana. Yeah, it's good. It's a good one. Now we move on to the carrot cake. I'm very curious about it because I never had a carrot cake muffin or donut or anything, so oh yeah, much better. Oh, and there's a frosting inside. Yeah, these guys. Yeah. And the last thing we have is this cinnamon. It's a huge, but I never had one, so I'm really looking forward to this. So oh wow. Yeah, that's a bomb. Last bite of this cheat day. I gotta say I really enjoyed it, and yeah, it was my first time in ever since I did like a cheat day, and I think I deserve one, right? So yeah. Well, tomorrow I'm gonna start, like I probably won't eat that much because I'm not like full or anything like that, but I feel like my stomach, I'm not full, I wanna vomit or something, but I'm satisfied, yeah. I don't need anything else to eat, and tomorrow I will get back to my like a healthy diet, or not a diet, yeah, a diet, like a healthy diet, and back to normal. Gonna do some cardio, gonna walk, because I have like pretty much nothing else to do, right? So that's my plan for tomorrow. And yeah, and in like April I'm gonna start some summer shedding. I sign up for Christian Guzman's summer shredding competition. So yeah, I'll be sharing my journey with you guys, and we'll make a whole another video about my starting point and everything I will do in the process. But for now, just let's see, I may upload some like training videos, or like a normal full day of eating. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. I will put calories, like total calories, on my right there, and yeah, I will show you like my after and before, and next following few days, how my weight fluctuates, or how my weight regulates. And yeah, I know I'll be weighing like, I think it's gonna be like 10 pounds tomorrow more. Oh no, oh maybe, yeah, oh no, not 10 pounds, like 7-8 pounds. I expect that, but it's mostly like yeah, some fat, but mostly water and sodium, and yeah, so yeah, I will do some experiment, and we'll share that with you. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have any questions, anything, just comment below or send me an email to davecosfitness@gmail.com. And yeah, that's everything for now, for this cheat day, and see you in the next one. Bye. No, 8 pounds. See you tomorrow. Hello, so it's 10:37, Sunday, March. I woke up like 15 minutes ago. I slept really good, but I'm going to show you my physique after a cheat day and my weight. So yeah, this is how I look like. Yeah, no red water was expected. Oh. My weight is 180.6, so it's plus 6 pounds. yeah, 6 pounds. Well, quite a lot, but doesn't really matter. Now I will update you with my following weigh-ins throughout the week, and yeah, I'm not hungry today. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I'm not gonna restrict myself. I will just listen to my body. Whenever I'm hungry, I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna go to the gym, do some cardio, break a sweat, because most of it is water, so yeah, I will drink a lot of water and I will keep you updated. So yeah, it's my weight and physique, and that's it. Bye. Hey, so today it's March 16th, 11:48. I'm not on empty. Well, I am on empty stomach, but I already drink a lot of water, so my weight will be a little different. But here's what I look like at the second day from the cheat day. So still bloated, but yeah, like the force. Yeah, and I haven't trained yesterday. I ate normal, like maybe like 2,600 calories, something like that. I wasn't hungry, so my first meal was around 4 p.m. I think, and yeah, and this is my weigh-in. So 177.2, so it's 3 pounds lighter than yesterday, and I didn't even train, just went for a walk, did 10,000 steps, and that's it. So yeah, I'll show you the next day, and I think I'll be around 176, 175, and yeah, so just not a lot of damage. See ya. Hey, so third day after the challenge, it's 10:35, Tuesday, March 17, and this is my physique. It looks not the same as yesterday. I ate normal, so yeah. And this is my weight. $177. Well, it's getting slowly back to normal. Yeah, that's it. See ya. I don't know. I'll do maybe one more at the end of the week on Sunday, Friday. Yeah. So bye. Hey guys, so I didn't film the 5th day after the cheat day, but I weighed around, I don't know to lie, around 175.5, something like that. So it's pretty much back to normal. And yeah, I just want to say I enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. And sometimes it's good to have this kind of a day, because I am really like every day I count calories and macros, and it gets kind of overwhelming, and I just wanted to just leave things out and just don't care, and it was actually pretty good. So from time to time it doesn't actually matter, as long as you enjoy yourself and get back on your track. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want me to do like these kind of videos or just anything, I'm open to suggestions. So like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and yeah, I will see you in the next one. See ya. Bye.